Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav. I am development head at iTechno Labs, where we strive to innovate and push boundaries of technology. Here my role is not only for leadership, but we engage with our clients and provide them best of the solution in the market. With over 16 years of experience in technology industry, I have been involved in management, leadership and development over the span of time. I have hands-on experience in both front-end and back-end technology, which includes Swift, React Native, React.js, Node.js, MySQL, and PostgreSQL, and MongoDB. Throughout my career, I have worked upon vast variety of projects across various domains. I have worked upon healthcare projects, AI/ML projects, IoT projects, to social platforms, to taxi-based projects, to different innovative products. I believe in continuous learning and evolution with changing trends. I'm always eager to take new challenges in the fast changing trends. I look forward to collaborating with you. Let's make great things happen.